Hello, I'm just at a customer's house, and you know when you think you've seen it all, and then you come across the mother of all bodgers. We've got a pipe fitting here that's, I don't know how that's damaged so badly, and then the other fitting is cracked off it, and then they've basically siliconed on a piece of scrap that was oversized. So they've coiled it up to make it fit. Yeah, that's never going to be watertight. And then just stuck it in there with some silicone. Look at the state of that. It's that's definitely the